Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an Xbox knife code or an existing Xbox knife listed as a tradable limited in Mm2 and Roblox Premium enabled. Once done, open MM2 and your Roblox inventory. Make sure trading is on. Next, locate reputable traders in community servers. Prioritize users with verified history. While you search, prepare screenshots of the item and price, because clear evidence speeds up negotiations and prevents confusion later. Move quickly, but verify everything before you now handle negotiation and the actual trade setup. Start by offering specific items or Robux amounts and explain why your offer is fair. Compare recent sale prices for Xbox knife in 2025. Once the trader agrees, request a trusted middleman if the community uses one. Confirm their identity. Then prepare the trade window, double-checking item ID, serial number, and limited status. If the middleman is not used, make sure both inventories are visible and that you see the Xbox knife in the offer before accepting. You finalize the trade by watching the trade window closely. Accept only when the Xbox knife is shown and the agreed items match. After completion, check your inventory immediately, confirm serial and hover details. If something goes wrong, pause and don't chase recovery. Instead, take screenshots and contact server moderators. Make sure to file a Roblox abuse report with your evidence if you suspect a scam, because that preserves chances of recovery. Finally, update your trade list and note trusted traders for future deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.